On a tree-lined and snowy street here in the heart of the north end of St. Catharines sits a beautiful 1,400 square foot ranch-style bungalow, completely renovated top to bottom with just an outstanding backyard and garage. Upon entering, you'll just love the open concept design. With a brand new renovated kitchen in 23 with under cabinet lighting. And to the back of the home is a wonderful addition of a main floor family room, complete with a gas fireplace, vaulted ceilings, and an abundance of light through the new windows and sliding doors, overlooking the deck and private backyard. And yet, it's the backyard that seals it for me. Brand new deck, fire pit out back for bonfire nights, covered patio, roll-up door for the heated garage. This home is all about the lifestyle. For more information, please visit uphouserealty.ca and lockyearandlots.com.